One of the really exciting things about the CloverBook is that you can actually get an additional screen to go with it. You can get an external screen. It comes with a little HDMI cord. And all you do is you put it on here. It has a piece that folds out. You slide it down in there in the back of the stand. Fits real easy. And go ahead and fire it up. You just have to connect the HDMI cord that comes with it into that screen, and then into the magnifier. Go. And that's initially going to duplicate my screen. But then I can use the button that I use for my split screen to do all kinds of fun things now. I'll hit this, and now I have a distance view shown on both screens. I can zoom in on that. Maybe I can get in close enough you can see it. And if I hit it again, I'm actually going to get each image on a different screen. So now I have my distance cam, I have my close cam, and the one that's closest to me, I can control everything still here, change the contrast, do everything I want to do. And then I can still see in a distance. Now if I want to control that camera, I just hit it again. Now I've got my close view up here and my distance here. I can zoom in, check out what the presenter's doing. Still have a desk view up here for taking notes or whatever. Really ideal in a presentation setting to have this amazing feature where you just slap on another monitor and off you go. It's very cool. So I'd want to show you that, that unique feature of the CloverBook Pro. I want to thank you for joining us today to review the CloverBook Pro from SiteCare. Have a great day.